Ka office jong ka department jong ka sports and youth affairs Meghalaya kalapalong yak program banpalat yak ka Meghalaya youth survey report banai khusnam sya Nongialehkai Nongseng kam Lade bat sya kinhun Jingiarap yak khina samla jong ka Jylla bat ban rakheru yak international youth day bynta ka sngi ka khara tare unailar ha ka program lawan menyedon bentar rengkat lang da usembut menteri rang ba ka Jylla uba perston tensong harengkat bat menteri bari pej yak sports and youth affairs uba bantai dorling do kumusembut kongsan ikong 1 Booth, Director of Sport and Youth Affairs, Vijay Kumar, Commissioner, Secretary of Sport and Youth Affairs, John F. Khashiem, President Jylla Meghalaya State Olympic Association, Faini Pariat, Secretary Jylla Meghalaya State Olympic Association, Lambat Kiwei.
Not less than 60,000 students are graduated annually. 60,000 in different levels. Right from class 10 up to the degree level, 60,000. And if all of you 60,000 students are only expecting of government job, I think there is no scope and there is no hope too. So what I would like to encourage you, please open up your mind. Please have your own determination. Right now, we started this initiative. It is an eye-opener to all of you. That not only government job that we can survive, but let us start our own business. And not only that, we will be able even to create employment to our youths, educated youths throughout the state.
And renovation which we are doing now, and the indoor stadium of 100 crores is coming. PA Sangma Stadium in Turai, work is going on. And the very important is, without the infrastructure, how we can produce our best athletes to compete with other states of the country, as well to compete in Olympics, which somebody I've seen in the social media, in the newspaper. Why not from the state we cannot produce Olympian, we cannot produce Olympic athletes to compete in Olympics? Why? I'll tell you, we have to have a determination, which we should think what we want to do. And we should have a guts to take a decision. As a youth of the day, this is very important.
Free our minds and soul. The hope wasn't personally you and me, baby, open, perfect harmony. Words are often speak our minds, break our walls and fight for life. Clear to